Whenever you decide on smart home wiring for your Macungie, Pennsylvania home, you'd be lost without a project manager in charge of this project. Why? Because project management for your Lehigh County smart home wiring project is a must. Whenever someone is in charge of the smart home wiring project, you can rest easy because that means your project will go off without a hitch. You get that when you work with Shafnisky Electric for your smart home wiring. What benefits will having us on your side offer? For one, we start with the basics, organizing the project and creating a design that fits your needs. The time we spend on designing what you need leads to the second benefit of having a project manager: efficiency with your Lehigh County smart home wiring project. We ensure that the design is efficient in terms of materials and time. You don't want to wait half a year for your smart home technology to be used by the entire family. Along with efficiency and organization, having your smart home wiring project managed efficiently ensures you have options in the future. We term this future-proofing for your home. We will plan for your smart home wiring system to grow with you as needed, since smart home technology is always changing. If you want to update your home with smart home tech, you need smart home wiring in Macungie, Pennsylvania. Shafnisky Electric offers free quotes, so call us.